Happy Pranams, I am Lohit of class 10A here to give a speech on the topic Scientific Reasons Behind Indian Tradition. Let's start with a slogan Think like a proton, always positive. In Hindu culture, people greet each other by joining their palms, termed as Namaskar. The general reason behind this tradition is that greeting by joining both the palms means respect. However, scientifically speaking, joining both hands ensures joining of the tips of all the fingers together, which are denoted to the pressure points of ears, eyes, and mind. Pressing them together is said to activate the pressure points, which helps us remember that a person for a long time, and no germs since we don't make any physical contact. Wearing toe rings is not just the significance of married woman, but there is science behind it. Normally, toe rings are worn on the second toe. A particular nerve from the second toe connects the uterus and passes to the heart. Wearing toe ring on this finger strengthens the uterus. It will keep it healthy by regulating the blood flow to it. As silver is a good conductor, it also absorbs polar energies from the earth and passes it to the body. The general reasoning given for this act is that it brings good luck. However, scientifically speaking, in the ancient times, most of the currency used was made of copper, unlike the stainless steel coins of today. Copper is a vital metal, very useful to the human body. Throwing coins in the river was one way our forefathers ensured we take sufficient copper as part of the water, as rivers were the only source of drinking water. Making it custom ensured that all of us follow the practice. On the forehead, between the two eyebrows, is a spot that is considered as a major nerve point in human body since ancient times. The tilak is believed to prevent the loss of energy. The red kumkum between the eyebrows is said to retain energy in the human body and control the various levels of concentration. The moment we ring the bell, it produces a sharp and enduring sound which lasts for minimum of 7 seconds in echo mode. The duration of echo is good enough to activate all the 7 healing centers in our body. This results in emptying our brain from all negative thoughts. Our ancestors have stressed on the fact that our meals should be started off with something spicy and sweet dishes should be taken towards the end. The significance of this eating practice is that while spicy things activate the digestive juices and acids and ensure that the digestion process goes on smoothly and efficiently, sweets or carbohydrates pulls down the digestive process. Hence, sweets were always recommended as last item. Besides lending color to the hands, mehndi is a very powerful medicinal herb. Weddings are stressful and often the stress causes headaches and fevers. As the wedding day approaches, the excitement mixed with nervous anticipation can take its tolls on the bride and groom. Application of mehndi can prevent too much stress because it cools the body and keeps the nerves from becoming tense. This is the reason why mehndi is applied on the hands in weddings. This tradition is not just about sitting on floor and eating. It is regarding sitting in the Sukhasan position and then eating. Sukhasan is the position we normally use for yoga asanas. When you sit on the floor, you usually sit cross-legged. In Sukhasana or a half Padmasana, which are poses that instantly bring a sense of calm and help in digestion, it is believed to automatically trigger the signals to your brain to prepare the stomach for digestion. Myth is that it invites death, but science says that it is because human body has its own magnetic field, also known as heart's magnetic field, because the flow of blood, and Earth is a giant magnet. When we sleep with head towards north, our body's magnetic field become completely asymmetrical to the Earth's magnetic field that cause problems related to blood pressure, and our heart needs to work harder in order to overcome this asymmetry of magnetic fields. Apart from this, another reason is that our body have significant amount of iron in our blood. When we sleep in this position, iron from the whole body starts to congregate in brain. This can cause headache, Alzheimer's disease, cognitive decline, Parkinson disease, and brain degeneration. Piercing the ears has great importance in Indian ethos. Indian physicians and philosophers believe that piercing the ears helps in the development of intellect, power of thinking, and decision making faculties. Ear piercing helps in speech restraint. It helps to reduce impertinent behavior and the ear channels become free from disorders. This idea appeals to the Western world as well as, and so they are getting their ears pierced to wear fancy earrings as a mark of fashion. Hindus have a tradition of paying regards to the sun god early in the morning by their water offering ritual. It was mainly because looking at sun rays through water or directly at that time of the day is good for eyes, and also by waking up to follow this routine we become prone to a morning lifestyle, and mornings are proven to be the most effective part of the day. The underlying principle behind fasting is to be found in Ayurveda. This ancient Indian medical system sees the basic cause of many diseases as the accumulation of toxic materials in the digestive system. Regular cleansing of toxic materials keeps one healthy. By fasting, the digestive organs get rest and all the body mechanisms are cleansed and corrected. A complete fast is good for health, and the occasional intake of warm lemon juice during the period of fasting prevents the flatulence. Usually, the person of whose feet you are touching is either old or pious. When they accept your respect, which came from your reduced ego, their hearts emit positive thoughts and energy, which reaches you through their hands and toes. In essence, the completed circuit enables flow of energy and increases cosmic energy, switching on a quick connect between two minds and hearts. To an extent, the same is achieved through handshakes and hugs. The nerves that start from our brain spread across all our body. These nerves or wires end in the fingertips of your hand and feet. When you join the fingertips of your hand to those of their opposite feet, a circuit is immediately formed and the energies of two bodies are connected. Your fingers' palms become the receptor of energy and the feet of the person becomes the giver of the energy. People tree is almost useless for an ordinary person except for its shadow. People does not have a delicious fruit, its wood is not strong enough for any purpose, then why should a villager or a person worship it or even care for it? Our ancestors knew that people is one of the very few trees which produces oxygen even at night. So in order to save this tree because of its unique property, they related it to the god or religion. Normally, the wrist portion is in constant activation on any human. Also, the pulse beat in this portion is mostly checked for all sort of ailments. The bangles used by women are normally in the wrist part of one's hand, and its constant friction increases the blood circulation level. Furthermore, the electricity passing out through outer skin is again reverted to one's own body because the ring-shaped bangles, which has no ends to pass the energy outside but to send it back to the body. The science of today is the technology of tomorrow, and I wish you a happy National Science Day, and I thank everyone to listen to my speech. Thank you.